Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download Invoices on Shopify. To start, open the Shopify admin website on a web browser. Make sure to log into your account. In the left panel, click on Add Apps. Now visit the Shopify App Store and click on the search bar. After that, search for PDF Invoices. Here, you'll find different applications and click on the one as shown here. Then click on the Install button to install the application. Confirm the installation as it will have access to your data. On the Shopify admin website, it'll show you the installed application. You'll find its different features here and click on Next. Following that, enter your name and email address. Hit the Next button and choose a plan from the given plans. You can go with the plans or hit the Finish button. Now it'll show you print your invoice and click on the Print button. Then find your orders and you can easily download Invoices on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.